Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by signing in so changes attached to your account. Make sure the photo is ready and accessible. Once signed in, open My Account. Google.com or the Google app. This places you straight into settings. You need a supported file type, and smaller files upload faster, so optimize before upload. Make sure you're using your main profile account, not a managed or secondary one. After confirming these prerequisites, move to the Personal Info area to change the image. Once in Personal Info, click your current photo and choose Change. This opens the Upload dialog. You can pick Upload for a saved file or take photo on mobile to capture instantly. Pick whichever preserves image quality. After selecting, adjust crop and zoom so your face is centered and readable at small sizes. Google often displays it in circles, so keep critical detail inside the center. Make sure lighting and contrast look good. Then hit Done or Set as Profile Photo to apply. After you save, Google syncs the image across Gmail, Drive, and other services. This can take a few minutes, so be patient. If the photo doesn't appear, sign out and back in, or clear browser cache and reload because stale data often blocks updates. Make sure you change the right account profile. Managed accounts can restrict changes. A final troubleshooting tip: upload a slightly smaller or different format file. Often that resolves stubborn upload or processing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.